friends, today we are going to see about veg pizza. It is done by no garlic and no maida and no other chili and other hot vegetables. First I have used some wheat and some butter. Next we are going to use some curd and salt and ghee. Come, let's go to do pizza dough. Next, some curd. I'm going to use some curd. This is homemade curd. And some ghee. And some salt for our flavor. If we need, we can use some butter. It will be very tasty and healthy for our body. We don't need to mix with a spoon. If we mix with the hand, it will be very nice, and it will be very natural also. Now our dough is ready. I have not used water because I have used so much of butter. Now I am going to close it and keep aside for 30 minutes. Keep this pan in a sim and we should put some butter. And we should pour some milk. To do white sauce. And we have to pour some water because the milk was so thick, so that we should pour some water. Some wheat. Then only the white sauce will come in a white color and it will be thick also. Now we have to mix well. Our sauce was ready and we should add some salt as per our taste. We are going to do tomato sauce for our pizza dough. I am going to use some tomatoes and onions, and I am going to mix well in the mixer. Tomato sauce was ready. See, it's very colorful, and now we should keep it in our stove. That's all. Our tomato sauce will be ready. Now we can go to make pizza dough. Pizza dough was ready. Come, we can roll like a chapati. We have to roll it like this. It is a butter pizza dough. It will be very nice for our health and it increases our immunity power. We should roll like a round shape also. The dough was ready. We have to clear this at all, like this. Now our pizza dough is very clear. We have to add some wheat powder to make it smooth. Going to heat this sauce in the pan. In the white sauce pan, you can use this. Keep it in a sim. Now we have to add some turmeric powder for our color. And add some pepper and salt for our flavor. Now I am going to add some pepper and some salt also. Now we should add some sugar to manage our pepper and salt. See, I am going to add some sugar also. Now I am going to add some pepper also. That's all, our tomato sauce was ready. Two sauces were ready. Now we go to do some pizzas. Today I am going to use an dosa kadai for doing the pizza. Come, let's go to do this. First, I have applied the ghee in the dosa kadai. Now I kept this pizza in this kadai. Now I am going to apply the sauces in it. Above the pizza, we have to use some butter for our flavor and apply this in it. It gives us so many flavors and it is very helpful for our body. Now I am going to apply the sauces in it. Now I am going to apply this. Now I am going to apply white sauce. Now I had decorated my pizza with onions and tomatoes and curry leaves. And I had added some peppers upside the vegetables. Now my pizza was ready. I am going to keep it in a stove. I am going to keep the silver plate in the dosa tawa for baking. Now I had kept into a stove. Now I am going to close it with dosa lid. We should close it for 30 minutes. Then the pizza will be ready for us. Pizza was baked. Come, let's see the pizza. Wow, it's very super. By seeing this, I'm thinking it's very, very yummy. Now we can serve to everyone. For that serving, first we have to cut it. Now we can cut the pizzas. I'm going to cut it like this. Our pizza was very delicious and it gives us so many healthy for our body. And enjoy.